Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to teach you some Fijian words and how to say it properly. So everybody talks about Fiji, or uh, whenever you think or hear the name Fiji, all you think about must be, oh, it's perfect for holiday. So in this video I will teach you some basic Fijian words on how to say it and also understand the meaning. So when you go to Fiji, the first word you will hear from someone you meet in Fiji, they will say Mbula. Mbula and welcome to Fiji. Mbula means hello in Fiji. Anytime you meet someone, you will say Mbula. Hello, hi, that's the meaning of Mbula. In other terms, Mbula also means alive, to be alive or alive. So the opposite of the word Mbula is mate. Mate means dead. So Mbula se mate. Mbula or mate. Those are the opposite meanings. And Mbula, in terms of saying hello, the opposite of it, when you leave Fiji or you are leaving your friend behind, or when you are going somewhere, you say Mode. Mode means goodbye. Mode, goodbye, Mode. And another term for Mode in Fijian is sleep. To sleep. Sleep means Mode as well in Fijian language. Those are the first two, at least I will I'm telling you guys, those are the first two meanings of Fijian words. Mbula means hello and also alive, and Mode means goodbye and sleep. So hope you guys learn those two words. Thank you. Naka. Naka means thank you.